For Bishop Larry Kulick, mushroom soup was a staple in his Slovak family every Christmas Eve, also known as the Vilia. In it, he adds rehydrated dried mushrooms, white mushrooms, and wild mushrooms, Yukon gold potatoes, garlic, celery, onion, and bay leaves to a pot of water, along with caraway seed, dill, and parsley. Once that's all mixed together, he adds the juice from a bag of sauerkraut.
This recipe is unique, but it's a traditional recipe that I think when you eat it, when you smell it, when you have it as part of your Christmas celebration, you certainly know Christmas is here. And it brings back a lot of wonderful memories. And you know, at this time of the year when we have all of these different customs, the symbolisms of this food carry beautiful scriptural imagery. And I like to say that one of the things that is in the soup is the garlic. And you know, the garlic is a bitter herb. And in the Vilia, or Christmas Eve dinner, the garlic is reminiscent of the bitterness of sin. So when we have garlic in our Christmas Eve meals, we're reminded not only of the condition of humanity, how it was before Christ came after the fall of Adam, but how now with the incarnation of Christ, the Word becoming flesh, that Christ comes to save us. Mushrooms are a wonderful symbol of prosperity because they're a symbol. Mushrooms grow where they're not planted. They come up as a symbol of free bounty and God's bounty and His goodness. And so they're harvested without having the work of being planted.
Once the water heats, Bishop Kulick adds a stick of butter, then turns the heat to low and lets the soup cook for 2 to 3 hours, stirring frequently.
Mushrooms take on the taste of what they're put with. The slower you cook it, the better it comes because all of the juices and the different herbs and the different seasonings that we use sort of all come together.
When the soup is ready, he adds some salt and pepper to taste, and then this traditional Slovak Christmas Eve mushroom soup is ready to serve on Stedry Vecer, which means bountiful night.
We're going to now taste a little bit of this soup. That is good. Wow, that says Christmas. Certainly, I'd like to wish each and every one of you and all of your families the very best for this Christmas season. May God bless you, and in whatever customs and traditions you carry on, may the Lord be with you, and may you have a very merry and blessed Christmas.